How to use a voice changer in Roblox Voice Chat. Roblox has no built-in voice effects, so the change happens outside the game. You feed Roblox a virtual microphone that already contains the effect. Check your access first. Be 13 or older, complete an age check with facial age estimation or ID verification, and be in a supported region. Pick a voice changer. VoiceMod and MorphFox offer polished real-time effects. Clownfish is free and lightweight. Download only from official sites. Install it, then open the program and select your physical microphone as the input source. Choose an effect and turn on the virtual microphone or voice changer output option. Set that virtual microphone as your default recording device in Windows Sound Settings on the Recording tab. Restart Roblox entirely so it detects the new default device. Then join an experience with voice chat enabled. Click the headphone icon to connect to voice, speak, and watch the indicator ring around your avatar to confirm audio is going out. Fine-tune the pitch and gain so your speech stays intelligible, and mute yourself with the headphone icon when you are not talking. Tip: Roblox does not ban voice changers as such, but it does moderate voice chat. Using an effect to impersonate someone, fake your age, or harass players breaks the community standards.